Friends, this Smart Digital Smart FlipBook, How to Make Profit in Your Business 2026 form is of HTML5 software, or flip format file, along with small software to open it given with that. Advanced and smart form of reading experience. You get beautiful reading experience. Keep this flipbook file and software on your computer or laptop, desktop, or any drive. First, install the FlipBook Reader app Hazing for Windows, hazing.dmg for macOS. Given those, then click on FlipBook Format File to open FlipBook and enjoy Digital Smart FlipBook offline reading. It will open within 20 seconds. Very smart FlipBook. Get better, smooth reading experience ever than you reading physical book and more. Also, you will get online FlipBook link and opening password protected book for reading smooth digital FlipBook for better experiences in smartphone, laptop, PC, all devices good responsive ever, as you experiencing smooth reading experience than real book reading. Great FlipBook ever. Friend, this smart FlipBook contains both the English version and the Bengali version in one book in one place.